Hello guys, this is Pedram Raufi from Gerchik Co and you're watching the market analysis for the day. During this market review, we are going to check the situation on the stock market, on the Forex market, and on the cryptocurrency market at the end of the program. So don't forget to watch it till the end of the program. At the end, we're going to see what's going on with the cryptocurrency market. So, as we see here for today, the stock market's kind of getting ready to touch the dip again. As we said from previous time, that prices during this week are going to kind of hike. They're going to hike in a corrective way, like this. I would say this corrective hike, and then they're going to actually reverse. So now the reverse started, and it seems that prices are going to bottom again. 10%, Morgan Stanley said. So let's stick with that idea. I see what would go on next. Industry, healthcare, utilities are the most green ones, and the consumer defensive, of course. But let's get into the. Let's just start to check the price action of the most important United States stock market indexes, starting from the S&P 500, and I'm going to continue by the analysis of Dow Jones Industrial Index, and of course Nasdaq. So as we see here, this corrective upward movement have ended, and now prices are actually under really important mirror level of 3,800, and they kind of could actually stuck under that level during this week, during today's sessions, and maybe Monday's market is going to actually start again above this level, but I think that here is going to be a real deep shorts to 3,600, 3,400. I don't really think that speculations here are going to be soft. Speculations here are going to be really, really rough, and they're going to actually mostly retest 3,600, 3,000, maybe 400. So we have to get ready for it. Now Dow Jones prices, the industrial index of the stock market. Here, as we see, the potential of downward movement exists, and this downward movement for Dow Jones is about 30,000, maybe 29,000. 29,000 actually could get retested as well. Don't forget, because we softly could get under 30,000. We just simply could get under 30,000 and just go further. Why not? But this would be a speculation. This would be the speculative downward bearish impulse, which could end, and from the next week maybe we are going to get some pumped again, get a little bit pumped, but be ready just for some downward really harsh bearish speculations on the markets anyway. Nasdaq prices 11,000. I think that prices are going to actually go deeper to 10, maybe 10,500. 10,500. This be the next target level, 10,500. Which after the test, it could actually make prices to reverse again. So 10,500 is the next target for bears for Nasdaq. And finally, let's get into the Forex market by the analysis of the price of United States dollar index, DXY. 104 have been retested. Prices are really, the volatility of prices really shrink. What does it mean? It means that we are going to have some speculation. I think that the speculation here is going to be upward. I told you that from previous time that the speculation and the trend is going to be upward, and that's what we had from previous sessions. The upward movement, the continuation of upward movement, it was really shrink, but mostly we are going to have some speculations, and this is going to be bullish speculation, maybe 106, 108. I gave you these levels, and I stick with this idea. And I think the price are going to actually retest 106, 108. But after that, they're going to reverse and start to maybe fall down for midterm. So this would be the last moments, last speculations, the quotations actually. Now we are going to go through the main pairs: Euro, Pound, Australian dollar, and New Zealand dollar. 1.04 is a level after the test which we reversed, and would we go hike and go higher? I don't really think so. I don't really think so. And mostly I think that prices are going to go lower. They're going to retest 1.030, 1.025, let's say 1.025 could get retested. So here it would be some as well speculations on the euro before prices get reversed and go higher. Here we could have the speculation, and there we have a potential for some bear speculation. Here movements have already started. Downward movement have already started. So prices are going to go lower. 1.20, 1.18 are the best levels to get retested. So next targets is 1.19, 1.18 maximum. After that, we're going to get reversed and go higher. Australian dollar to United States dollar is the next pair. Here as well, we see that the downward movement having already started. It means that when euro and pound are going to go lower, these two guys won't do that. Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar have already started downward movement. They have already started. They have already break through local minimums, and this means that you cannot short Australian dollar in near future. But euro pound maybe. So New Zealand dollar to United States dollar situation here is the same. Impulsive retest of the local minimums, breakthrough, and I think here as well we are going to have some reversal in the near future. So I don't really believe that we can short here. We cannot short here. Let's get to the energy market on oil prices, gas prices. Let's see what's going on with them. And the oil have been reversed from 100, retested 150 as we said, 150, 160 we said. And then we get reversed, and again we are getting strengthened above the 104. 104, 104 is a range inside of which we are not going to get. We are not going to get inside it. So mostly now actually can start to buy it, but wait for dollar prices to make some speculations. Then maybe we can actually buy or black gold as well, which is oil. Natural gas. So we went further, we got 5 and 50. Where we are going to go next? If you remember from previous time, we told you that gas maximum is going to retest 650, but now we're around 550. Can we say that it's going to go lower? Mostly I'm gonna stick with the idea that I don't think the prices are going to fall further, but they would fall. But this movement is really, really speculative. So, as you all know, the problem with the energy crisis is not going to finish, not going to be solved. And this movement, it happened just because of some news related to the gas supply of Russia, which is getting higher and higher, about the ban on gas export of Russia to Europe. And there's different news that European countries are going to use maybe oil, mostly not gas. So because of that, gas kind of get under the pressure. But I don't believe that gas is going to fall further. Gas is going to fall like $5 is now retested. I don't think that we are even going to get 5. Previously, I told you that you are not going to get 6 or even 5.50, but as you see, the prices have been breaking through this level. I'm not going to short it. I'm not going to, and I don't believe that in the near future we can do it. We have to retest 650 at least, so then we can get lower. But I don't think that we're going to get lower. I think the price are going to strengthen above 6 and go higher in the near future. So next comes United States dollar to Canadian dollar. Movement is really under pressure. The reason is that dollar is not rising and oil is kind of falling. And here movement is, of course, upward, but it's under pressure because dollar is not rising, United States dollar. So are we going to get 1.30? I don't think so. I don't think that we're going to get 1.30. We're going to actually reverse from this level. So if we want to do something with this pair, we have to wait for some speculations, upward speculation to 1.30, and then short it again. United States dollar to Mexican peso. Here the same situation. 20 and 40. $20.40. Could get retested impulsively, but you here as well, you have to just get ready to short it. Short it further. Gold prices. Gold prices have been go through 1,800. They are testing this level. That's a really important moment for gold now because it's going to reverse. It's going to reverse from this level. It's going to retest maybe 1,780, 1,750, but mostly prices here are going to reverse. So this is a really important moment for gold because it's impulsively retesting a really important level, 1,800. After the retest, which prices are actually have to get stuck and get stuck under it and just maybe get strengthened above it after some time. So here we could have some long-term, mid-term speculations. So buyers cannot start to buy, cannot start the positions, cannot active the positions, the long positions. Get ready for some scenario like that. And the silver prices. Silver prices, $20 have been retested. Psychological level for silver, and here as well. You have to just believe too much. First, dollar is not rising. Second, commodities is falling. It's really kind of strange. I cannot believe that prices are going to short further. That's a really, really speculative retest. And $20 is the first of all is a mirror level. Second of all is a psychological level. $20. So 18, I don't think so, but maybe 19 could get retested, but not 18. Mostly we're going to reverse and get strengthened above 20, then go further, fly further. What we got next is the platinum, which I've already breakthrough 900 and it's going further. But how much it could go? Here we have really important levels like 850, 800. Let's say 850 could get retested, but not 800. So here you have to be really, really careful with shorts because this is a really weird situation when dollar is not rising but the commodity is falling. The last speculations, as we say, last speculations. And the palladium prices here. $2,000 have been retested. Prices are not getting lower, and they're kind of stick with this level, $2,000. And I think that we're going to break through it and go higher. So palladium is actually showing you what a real commodity looks like because it's under sanctions, it's rising. Next, we're going to go through the United dollar to Swiss franc, which is a commodity pair as well. And as we said, prices here are not going to fall further; they're going to reverse. They're reversed, and here we're going to have some speculation. 0.97, 0.98 are the next levels, target levels, but I think that 0.98 is not realistic. We could just go to retest 0.97, then reverse and go further, 0.1985, and then again 7, 5. So it's gonna just gonna prices actually are going to consolidate between these levels mostly in the future. The next is talk to Japanese yen. Yeah, it rise further. It rise further. We were waiting for this rise. We were waiting for this upward movement. It happened, and most of the prices have to rise further. We have some sign of divergence, long-term divergence. So we need to get ready for some reversal. We told that prices are going to retest 138. We have now 136 actually, and 140 was the great level to get retested by. And I think that it could. It could. Bitcoin prices and of course the cryptocurrency market. $20, $20,000, $20,000, and 15. Really not far. Get ready. But before we get to 15, we are going to retest 23, 25 at least. So you have to know that before we get to 15, we are going to impulsively retest 23, 25. But if we don't retest 23, 25 and just go through 15, it would mean that you can already get into long position. It would mean that speculation was bearish, not bullish. Because if prices before get to 15,000 first start to rise up to 23, 25, it would mean that the speculation was bullish and the main trend is going to be bearish. So if you want to trade the trend, in this kind of case, you're going to short it. But in the case if prices are going to just impulsively retest, start just in the near future without getting higher, just impulsive retest 15,000, you can actually get into longs in the nearest term, the nearest time. Ethereum prices, consolidation, 1,200, 800, 400. Next levels, we could get some speculation to 1,600, but I don't think that it's gonna go that far. And mostly we're going to fall from 1,600 after that and go further to 800 or maybe 600. Thank you guys that you watched this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the videos and ring the bell so you won't miss the videos which we have in the future. Don't forget to check the official site of Gerchik Co. You'll find different type of instruments and packages which you can buy with the great sell-offs for trading. In each package you have different type of instruments, courses which are really useful for experts and beginners. Don't forget to check all this information. Until next time, have good tradings. Bye bye.